Okay, we go on, please. Would you like to work for a company related to environmental protection?
Yes, I would like to work for a company which is working for environmental protection, because since my childhood it is dream to serve the nation, and I think so it is the need of the hour to protect our environment for our coming generations.
Good, very good, fantastic. Your intonation is very good, okay? Let's go on. How can we protect the environment?
There are variety of ways in which we can protect our environment. For example, we should ban the single-use plastic, we should use biodegradable materials, reduce the food waste, as well as we should conserve our water resources.
Okay. Do you think you have done enough to protect the environment?
Well, I don't think so I have done enough, because I can do a lot to conserve the environment, and in future I will do something great.
Okay. Is there education about environmental protection in your country?
To some extent there is education for environmental protection in my country, but I think so it should be enlarged and compulsory in every government schools of the Pakistan.
Okay, this is better. Just add at least 1 to 2 more sentences to your answer. Your intonation is quite good, right?
Thank you, sir.
Let's go on, please. Here, let's take a start. Okay. Is there anything that makes you feel happy?
Yes, there's a lot of things that make me happy, but the usually I do is to spend most of time by playing games, and I also used to travel and go for new places with my friend. This thing make me happy a lot.
All right. What do you do to be happy?
Yes, I used to go.
Don't use used to. I often go.
Okay, I often go with my family in different parks and museums. We go there and enjoy a lot.
All right. Can you stay happy all the time?
No, I don't think so. We can stay happy all the time, because there are many problems in life. Some ups and downs come in life, so it is not possible to stay always happy.
All right. This is very good. Just answer like this and try to speak at least 4-5 sentences. Is it important to be happy?
Yeah, it is very important to be happy in life, because being happy in life may make us to fight with many problems, and being happy in our life can also affect our good health.
All right, that's good. Just keep it up and try to use some connecting words and never answer less than 4-5 sentences. Okay, let's go on, please. Your turn. The topic is about trees. Okay, so what kind of trees do you like?
I like some shining flowers, like some
Trees. Talk about trees. I like fruit trees.
Yeah, I like fruit trees. I like apples,
Apple tree.
grape trees.
The grape doesn't have tree. Grape has vine. Yeah, अंगूर दरख्त पे उगा दिए. All right. Okay. So listen. What kind of trees do you like? I love the fruit trees, because such type of trees give us delicious fruit, and I like all the fruits. Therefore, my favorite tree is a fruit tree. Okay? Just say it like that. Have you ever planted any tree?
Yes, I planted some trees at my home. So my mother helped me in this work. So when I was child, I loved this work, but
Okay. So, what kind of trees do you plant? I usually plant fruit trees.
I usually plant some different trees at my home, like flowers, flower trees.
Do you think trees are important for the environment?
Yes, of course. It gives.
They give.
They gives happiness in our mood.
Yeah, they give happiness. अगर आप दरख्त के नीचे बैठ जाएं तो yeah, they give happiness.
Yeah.
I see some people in Model Town Park. Yeah, they sit under the tree and they enjoy.
Yeah.
Good. ओके इसकी बात कर रहे हैं ना आप तो मासूम बच्चे हैं, आपको क्या पता. Alright. ओके दैट्स गुड, लेट्स गो ऑन. थोड़ा सा आंसर्स में ना कुछ 4-5 सेंटेंसेस कनेक्टिविटी के साथ, ठीक है, ज्यादा सोच में ना पड़ा करें. Your turn please. Okay, topic is decoration and the first question is what is the decoration like in your house? Like does not mean I like decoration. It means how is the decoration in your house? You say in my house we've got a traditional decoration, okay, manjis, pidas and all that, or any other thing like that. So what is the decoration like in your house?
I think that in my house, the color that we decorated in our house is
We're not talking about color, we're only talking about decoration. You can say traditional decoration or simple decoration.
we have traditional chairs and sofas in our house. It fascinates me a lot.
Okay, yeah, that's
And-
good, like that.
And other family members also support us in adding some other traditionals.
Decoration, yeah, like Yasin likes simple decoration, chatai on the floor, that's it, nothing else. What kind of decoration do you prefer?
I prefer some traditional costumes.
Costumes नहीं, decoration में कहाँ से costumes आ गए? हाँ, तो दीवार पे कपड़े टांगने. Okay, I like some traditional decoration, like beautiful paintings on the wall.
I like some traditional paintings in the drawing rooms that we also have, and many others tables.
Do people in your country like to decorate their house?
Yeah, definitely, our people are very colorful and
People are colorful, they like to decorate the houses.
Ji.
Yes.
and they worked on there a lot and also spend many money.
A lot of money?
A lot of money on it.
Okay, that's good. But थोड़ा hesitation से बाहर निकलें, ठीक है, बोलने की कोशिश करें. That will be fine. Okay, thank you very much.